Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Focus seats. Begin by parking on level ground, disconnecting the battery, and moving the seat to its rearmost position. Remove plastic trim covers to expose bolts, then unbolt the rails and electrical connectors carefully. Keep track of bolts and clips in separate containers. Use moderate force when lifting the seat out, and watch for hidden connectors under the seat cushions. Start by sliding the seat fully forward and backward to reveal all rail bolts and covers. Remove plastic caps and use the right sockets and Torx bits to loosen bolts, keeping each fastener grouped by location. Support the seat as you remove the last bolts to prevent tipping. Inspect rails and sliders for debris or damage and clean them before reinstalling hardware for smooth operation. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make garage lunches simple and tidy, and they stack neatly with foam pads next to your toolbox for zero spills. They're great for marinated meats or oily parts cleaning cloths. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With the battery disconnected, tilt the seat and locate all electrical connectors under and behind the seat base. Depress the release tabs fully before pulling to avoid breaking locks, and use a small pick if necessary to free stubborn clips. Label or tape matched connectors so power seats and airbags reconnect correctly. If an airbag connector resists, consult a repair manual rather than forcing it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.